We're going to do that one more time, so you're going to see it again. So work the first 2 stitches because we need them in order to bind them off. Pull the first over the second one. We need to do a second one. Work another stitch, so we have 2 to work with because you have to have 2 to bind off. Pull the first over the second, and now put that back on. Triplets! There you go. Oh, isn't this just the most darling cast on? It is so cute. And now you can see we've got 7 stitches casted on. So you would keep doing this like I had said. If your pattern calls for 50 stitches, you just keep going until you've got 50 stitches on here. Let's do one more set together, and then I'm going to show you some of the different increments that you can use. Okay? By the way, this is a stretchy cast on. So this will give you some elasticity if you're going to be doing something that has ribbing in it, or the edge of something where you need to be able to